Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
I've noticed something with this lift. You've got to be careful if you come back drunk. I'll show you when we get in. You've got to open the door yourself, climb in the lift, press the ground floor, and it's an open wall. So imagine if you leant against that and you're drunk. You got to be careful with that, Owen. Remember that when you come in later on. Stand well back. Mind the gap. Don't ever moan about the traffic in Lancaster again. Should I stay or should I go now? So I'm going to get myself some food from the old food court in Terminal 21. Some of the angles of these escalators are fantastic. We've got crispy duck, crispy pork, rice, cucumber and like a pickled veg, might be cabbage and an egg. 40 baht. I thought that pink stuff was cabbage, but it's actually pickled ginger. But I've never tasted anything vegetable wise as nice in my entire life. Now then, I've gone back for more. 35 baht, some Vietnamese chicken soup. I've added some chilli, some sugar and a sour sauce. Smells good. Piping hot. So I've had 2 meals for less than £2. Now this broth is absolutely fantastic. Coriander, and a bit of a kick to it with the chilli. That's the best thing I've tasted on this trip. Absolutely delightful. Oh, what I've seen here in Terminal 21 in Bangkok. I love durian t-shirts. Gin durian. They're expensive though, 790 baht each. Now then, where are we? I'm stood on the corner of Soi 11 in Sukhumvit, Bangkok. Soi Thai Up. And I'm going to have a wander down here, see what beer bars there are. I'm also looking for a place to watch the City and Real Madrid game later on at 2 o'clock. I've had 2 beers so far. The first little bar was 140 baht for a Leo. The second one was 125 baht for a Leo. I ended up giving the waitress 15 baht tip. So that's cost me 280 baht for 2 beers. Please subscribe. Now then, where are we? I'm in a German bar on Soi 11 and this beer's cost me 125 baht. But I've asked the guy, I think he's like one of the managers or something, where can I watch Manchester City and Real Madrid tonight? And he says everywhere closed 2 o'clock. I said you can't, I'm not in Bangkok. And he said, you have to look around, maybe have somewhere downstairs. So I said, where? He says, Soy 13 maybe. So I think that's back that way, near the Miami Hotel. So I'm going to head down here to Soy 7-1. I know I said I weren't going to drink tonight, but I won't be drinking many at these prices, put it that way, but I've got a bit of time to kill. I've had some food. I met a subscriber from, I think it's from Australia. He sounded Australian. He told me his name, I can't remember now. And I asked him if he wanted to be on the beginning. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. And he said, no, I don't like you that much, he says. Anyway, so it's alright here. Quite busy walking around the streets. Feel safe. So no problem at all. I'm going to go to the end of 11, have a look. There's a few more bars. And then I'll go back that way to Soy 7-1. I might go in that, it's like the freelance place. Is it a beer garden or something on Soy 7 or Soy 7-1? Might have a look in there. And have a look at the new beer bars which have been built since I was last here. I've never been in. But I'm not going to get drunk tonight. I'm going to try my best not to. So anyway, until later on, I'll do an update later on. I don't know if I'm looking at the lens or the camera. No, there's a camera there. Never mind, Owen. You're doing alright for your age. You notice my hair's starting to go a little bit blonder. So, until whenever and wherever, got this down there like that, over, I'm going to do it with this Leo bottle, over and out. I've had a wander down Soy 11. It's alright, but it's not for me really. It's not really a wandering type of thing. It's more kind of touristy upmarket place to me. A little bit expensive for old Owen. Hillary 2, 3, I don't know, there's a few of them. I'm not going in there. Even though I don't smoke the stuff, you can smell the cannabis and marijuana everywhere, and it's a beautiful smell. But it's everywhere, wafting. And then you've got your barbecue and your chicken and all your different aromas. It's nice, it's nice. And you've got music everywhere and the noise of people shouting and bawling. Pretty good. It's good to just to walk about and just to watch. In that.
I love you.
Technology has even come to Thailand when you've got an automated toilet machine. It took me a bit to figure it out, but I figured it out now. You put your money in there and rush in here, and then you've got to push yourself out like this. It's like going football in the old days. So Lancelot, I'm lost. Can you tell me where I am? I can't seem to find where I am at all. I said I'd never come here again. Now then, where are we? This is Owen reporting from a members channel. Now then, I'm on Soy 8. Come put past the angry Danica.
Hello.
Hello, England.
England. I am Thailand.
ชื่ออะไรครับ เป็นครับ
หล่อมาก
มาเชื่อ
หล่อมาก